transportation? As children, it is all very simple. Okay, transportation part is very simple because even in our ninth grade, you would have learned about plant issues, right? Okay, complex plant issues. As children, what are the two complex plant issues? What are all the two complex plant issues? One is the xylem, and what is the another one?
Fluid. Phloem.
Phloem. Very good. Okay, it's the phloem. Yeah, xylem and a phloem. Okay, everyone. So for the transportation, xylem and phloem are very much helpful. Okay, xylem and phloem are very much helpful. Clear? So look at this. Okay, yes. Yeah, what is the use of a xylem, everyone? What is the use of a xylem? Xylem.
Transport water through
Okay,
plant.
transport. Yes, okay, transport the water alone, or otherwise, okay, it will be taking some of this
Minerals.
nutrients. Yeah, very good. Okay, the minerals. Yeah, very good. And one more thing. So remember, everyone, water and minerals. Okay, water and minerals are taken by, okay, so taken by the, yeah, or otherwise transported by xylem. Yeah, water and minerals. Water and minerals together called as a sap. Together, it is called as a sap. Okay, so sap. Clear, children? Okay, so the xylem, yes, okay, they'll be transporting the water. And one more thing is, it is in one direction. Okay, why it is one direction? So you would have observed that, yeah, okay, if you have a plant, okay, so you're okay pouring the water, and then so the water will be taken up by the plant, right? Okay, it will be taken up by the plant. Yes, so it will be entering into each parts. Okay, and have you ever seen, so the water is returning to the soil? Will it happen, everyone? Returning?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay, will the water which is absorbed by the plant, will it be returning to the land?
No, ma'am.
No. Right, everyone? Okay, because the xylem will carry the water in one way. Okay, in one direction. Okay, in one direction. Clear? But in the case of a phloem, it is not like this. So it will be a bidirectional one. Okay, bidirectional one. So any doubts as of now? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
No.
Okay. So next is, okay, we are going to learn about transportation. Yeah, which means xylem and phloem in detail. Okay. So it's the xylem. Yeah, it's the xylem. Okay, which is one direction. And then it is the phloem. Okay, you can see this two-way. Okay, two-way. So we will see this one by one. First, we are going to learn about xylem. Yeah. Okay. So yes, xylemல dead cells வந்து abundant இருக்குமா, living cells abundant இருக்குமா? We, okay, would have learned in our ninth grade. Yes, yes, everyone. Okay, yeah. So yes, yeah, so xylem பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, it will have abundant of dead cells. Okay, and now, yes, there is another question. What is a dead cell, children? What is a dead cell in a plant? What is a dead cell in a plant? Yes, 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 little faster. Okay, so yes, look at this. So there is a plant. Okay, so there is a small plant. And look at this stem part. Okay, and then so this particular, okay, the plant is growing now into a, yes, a tree now. Okay, it is going to into a tree. And okay, usually if you draw a tree, yes, what is the color of the stem? Yeah, can I give the green
Brown.
color itself?
No,
Brown.
ma'am. Brown.
Okay, why? Yeah, but
Bark,
okay,
ma'am. It is
bark.
present. Cork.
Okay, bark. Okay, but it is not in the green color, right? Okay, yes, very good. So, okay, it will be in a brown. Yeah, okay, 1 minute. We'll check for a brown also. Okay, yes, we'll use this color. Okay, yes. So, it will be, okay, brown in color, right? What is the reason, children? Any one of you? What is the reason? What is the reason? Okay, what is the difference you are seeing? Yeah, yes,
Ma'am,
Kavya.
because of cork, ma'am. Cork present in the tree.
Okay, carved. Okay, good. So the stem, yeah, so okay, so we can break the stem easily. But to cut down the tree, okay, yes, is it easy to cut down a tree?
No, ma'am.
யா
No, ma'am.
ஓகே. நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டெம், ஒரு ஸ்மால் பிளான்ட் இருக்கு. அத வந்து சோ எப்படி ஈஸியா வந்து சோ பிரேக் பண்றோமோ, சோ அதே போல இங்கேயும் பிரேக் பண்ண முடியாது. ரைட்? பிகாஸ் this particular part has a dead cells. Okay, children, so we will see what is a dead cell. So it will have a dead cell, and one more thing, remember that, okay, if there is a dead cell, abundant of a dead cell, it is going to give the mechanical support. Because of the mechanical support only we could, okay, we could not break the stem. Okay, so okay, yeah, so the trunk of the, yeah, tree. Okay, and but here, so there is no dead cells. Okay, and then it is a living cells. Okay, living cells. Okay, what is the difference? We will see. So just imagine, okay, this is a plant cell. Okay, everyone. Yeah, if it is a plant cell, so what is the, okay, yes, outermost part, everyone. Outermost for the part for the plant cell. Yes, yes. Is that a cell wall or a cytoplasm? I want each one of your answers. Is that a
Cell
cell
wall.
wall? Yes, everyone. Is that a cell wall? Yes. Okay, எல்லாருமே ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். எஸ். ஸோ செல் வால் தானா அது? சே எஸ் ஆர் நோ. தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ
Yes.
இனஃப். ஓகே, எஸ். ஓகே, எஸ். யா, வெரி குட். ஸோ யா, ஒன்லி ஃபியூ ஆர் ஆன்சரிங். ஓகே, ஐ வாண்ட் எவ்ரி ஒன் டு ஆன்சர். இது புரிஞ்சுதா சில்ட்ரன்? இப்போ வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா? எவ்ரி ஒன்?
Yes,
ஓகே.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
யா. Okay. So the, okay, outermost part of a plant cell will be cell wall. Okay, everyone. It's the cell wall. And next to it, yes, okay, you know very well because in your ninth grade you would have learned about the cell structures. Okay. And next to it, so it will have a jelly-like substance. What is the name of the jelly-like substance? What is the name of the jelly-like substance? Okay, it will start with C. Why?
Cytoplasm.
Very
Cytoplasm.
good. Okay, it's the cytoplasm. Very good. Okay, and then it will have a, okay, yes, nucleus. Right? Okay, you would have learned all the three parts, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, very good. Yes, okay, and then you would have, okay, have you கொஞ்சம் recall பண்ணி பாருங்க. Have you ever, okay, learned about this term protoplasm? எங்கேயாவது
Yes,
இந்த
ma'am.
term? Okay, yes, everyone. So what is a
All
protoplasm?
all the cell organelles in the cell, ma'am.
Okay,
All
all the
the
cell organelles. Okay, so protoplasm is nothing but cytoplasm is there, right? Okay, cytoplasm plus nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm and nucleus will form the protoplasm, which is the living part. Okay, protoplasm is the living part. If a particular cell has a protoplasm, we can say it's a living cell. Okay, so this is the condition of a living cell. Living cell abdina, it should have the cytoplasm and a nucleus. And if not, okay, there will be, okay, only the cell wall. Okay, children, if there is only the cell wall, that is going to be called as a dead cell. So clear? So got the differences between a living cell and a dead cell? Yes, children? Yeah, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is, okay, so the xylem. Okay, so the xylem will have 4 components. Okay, so xylem will have 4 components. It's also very easy. Yeah. So, okay, even in your ninth grade, you would have learned about xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma alone living cell. Okay, children, because so parenchyma அப்படினாலே இது வந்து living cell தான். சரியா? So xylem parenchyma alone living cell and all other things. Okay, xylem trachea, fibers and vessels. So they are all dead cells. So clear, children? Okay, va? You know which
Yes,
one is the living cell and which, okay, so all others are the dead cells. Okay, and then tracheids. Okay, so in a trachea, water will be, okay, taken. Yeah, it is also tube-like structures. And then, okay, yeah, and then, yes, it's the tracheids, and then, yeah, okay, fibers. So fibers will also, yeah, take up the, okay, water, and then, yes, xylem, okay, vessels. And another one is, yeah, in sideways. Okay, so remember that in sideways, okay, children, in sideways the water will be, okay, lateral conduction of a water is done by xylem parenchyma. Okay, ba? Clear, everyone? So
yes,
xylem,
ma'am.
you should know about the unidirectional, and then xylem parenchyma alone the living cell, and all others are dead cells. Okay, remember this. And then, yeah, okay, we will see about something. Yes, okay, yeah, it's about the transpiration. Okay, okay, wow. So we have seen it. The xylem is one way, okay, one way directional, which means the water can be carried in only one way, right, everyone? Only one way. Okay, so only one direction, not in the another direction. Okay, because of it, the okay, so there is a chance that so there will be the okay more amount of a water will be entering into the plant. Okay, if it is more amount, okay, is it safe for the plant? Is it good for the plant to have a
No.
more amount of a water? No, right? Okay, it is not going to be a good one. And even if it is a water, if it is excess, okay, if it is excess, it is going to be called as an okay excretory material. Okay, even the excess, okay, excess of the water have to be okay, excess of a water, it has to be removed. Okay, so removed out of the plant. So how the removal can be done? With the help of yes, we have learned about the openings which are found in the surface of the leaf, right? What is it called? It will start with S. Yes, an opening.
Stomata.
Stomata.
Tomato,
Tomato.
very good. Okay, yeah, well done, everyone. And then, okay, we have seen that. So it is guarded by, it is guarded by
God cells.
God
God's
cells. Very good. Okay, and so it's very simple, children. Okay, so yeah, so just imagine. Okay, is it visible?
is
Yeah. So the water is taken. Okay, yeah. Yes. So the water is okay, yes, taken by the roots. And then so there will be the okay xylem, so that the xylem will be taking the okay, yes, water. Yeah, it will be entering. So lateral waysக்கு xylem parenchyma help பண்ணும். At last water பார்த்தோம்னா எல்லா partsக்கும் போயிடுச்சு. So எல்லா partsக்கும் போறப்போ okay, yes, while reaching the leaves, it will be entering into the guard cells also. Am I right, children? Okay, because water is taken to all the parts, right? So that it is also entering into the guard cells also. And then if okay, if the guard cells are filled with the water, what happens? What happens? Stomata will open or close. If guard cells are filled with water,
It'll open, ma'am.
it will
open.
open. Yeah,
Little.
very good. Okay, it will open, and then okay, so the water vapors, yeah, the water vapors will be okay, yes. Yeah, so the water vapors will be removed. Okay, so it will be the excess water will be removed. So this process is called as transpiration. Okay, everyone, transpiration. Yeah, so transpiration. Okay, so the transpiration is a process of excretion in which excess water is okay transpirated. Yeah, so through the stomata. Okay, so clear, children. Yeah, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
okay, so once the okay, yes, process is initiated, the transpiration process is initiated. Okay, and once the process is initiated, it is also good also. Okay, why it is good? Because okay, it will create a pressure. Okay, it will create a pull. So because of this transpirational pull, the water can be okay, yes, okay, it will be entering into all the parts of the body, so that each and every okay cells of the plant will get the water. Okay, because of it, transpiration is also important. Okay, children. So clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So okay, so plant cohesion is nothing but so okay, what is the root? Yeah, so to reach the plants, okay, to reach an yeah till okay stomata. Okay, for example, yeah, it will the root only will be okay observing the water, right? So just imagine this is a root hair. Okay, the root will have a tiny root hair. Okay, the root has yes, so they will be increasing the surface area. So okay, if there is the increase in the surface area, so water will be moved into the plant easily. Okay, and then so first it will be entering here, and then okay crossing, and then so yeah there is a tube like structure called the xylem. And then okay, yes, you can observe this image. Even if okay, when it is started entering into the guard cells, the stomata will be open, and then water okay, yes, transpiration will be done. Okay, children. Yes, any doubts with the transpiration? Is
No,
it
ma'am.
clear? Yeah. Okay. So there is an experiment given here. So the aim of the experiment is to yeah understand the mechanism of a transpirational pull. Okay, so for example, yes, we have taken, okay, two plants. So one is, yes, okay, yeah, one, yeah, we have taken a two parts, so only one part will have a plant. Okay, yeah, okay, another one will not have it. Okay, and then so yes, நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு இல்லைன்னா ஸோ okay next day அந்த மாதிரி பார்க்குறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, so yes, if there is a plastic cover wrapped around it or otherwise, okay, a bell jar, yeah, okay, if we cover it, yes, we can observe the water droplets here. Okay, water droplets here, and it is, okay, yes, it is because of the transpiration. Okay, everyone, clear? Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, so that is it. Okay, and next to it, okay, it's a imbibition. So we will see what is imbibition. It is very simple, children. Okay, there is a solid particle. Okay, there is a solid particle. Yeah, so the solid particle will be observing the water. Okay, solid particle will be observing the water. Okay, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளா பார்க்கணும்னா there is a seed. Okay, so the seed, yes, okay, when you soak the seed in the water, the seeds will be observing it, right? Okay, the seeds is a solid one. It's a solid one. It is observing a water. It's the imbibition. Yeah, yes, Sanjay.
மேம் இதுக்கு வந்துட்டு
Mm.
the ingestion of water to inside solid particles எழுதலாமா?
Okay, ingestion of a water to,
Water inside solid particles.
okay, yes, absorption of a water by a solid particle. Yes, okay, absorption அப்படின்ற term வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, absorption. What is absorption, everyone? Okay, so நம்ம வந்து, okay, in our home, so we will be having a kitchen towel, right? What is the use of a kitchen towel? If there is a spill, okay, for milk or water, anything, okay, so if there is a water, yeah, we will be, okay, having a, okay, yes, kitchen towel. With the help of a kitchen towel, okay, so the kitchen towel will be observing, okay, observe பண்ணிடுச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, right? Okay, it is also like there is a seed and then there is water and seed absorbs the water. Okay, va, everyone. So here, okay, yes, you should know what is imbibition. So clear about the imbibition term, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So next to it, okay, it is about the phloem. Okay, we will see about the phloem. So phloem is bidirectional, and then, okay, yes, yeah, in xylem, okay, living cells are abundant or dead cells are abundant. எது வந்து abundant ஆ இருக்கும்?
Living cells.
Okay, in xylem.
Dead cells.
Dead cells. Okay, but in the case of a phloem, it is the opposite. Okay, so the living component are abundant in the phloem. Okay, and then so yes, okay, phloem parenchyma, sieve elements, companion cells, everything will be the living cells. They are all, okay, living cells. Fibers, okay, even in your 9th grade, you would have learned about sclerenchyma. As
Yes,
children, okay, so sclerenchyma, and then the well-known example is the coconut husk, right? Okay, the coconut husk. So the coconut husk is a, okay, the plant, yeah, so the hardest, okay, the hardest plant tissue will be the sclerenchyma, and then fiber is one type of a sclerenchyma. Okay, fibers. So that, okay, fibers are, so do you think they are the living cells or the dead cells?
Excel, ma'am.
Yes, okay, they are the dead cells. Okay, yes. So here in the phloem, except, yeah, so except the phloem fibers, all are living compounds. Okay, all are living compounds. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு 10th, okay, so உங்களோட 10 questionல தான் வந்து so ஒரு question இருந்தது, which means, yeah, so there is, okay, so yeah, okay, there are two things. Okay, so இப்போ பார்த்தோம்னா, yes, you have to tell me xylem or a phloem which will, okay, which will be giving the, yes, okay, yeah, and 1 minute. Okay, so yes, which particular component will provide the mechanical support, xylem or a phloem?
Xylem, ma'am.
Xylem, very good.
Xylem.
Yeah, it's the xylem. Okay, everyone. And then, so yes, sieve elements. So sieve elements are, yes, so they are also the living component. Okay, so yes, it's the living component, and then, okay, conduction of the element. Yes, okay, the food will be taken here, and then a sieve tubes. Sieve tubes will have a well perforated, and then so they are efficient in, okay, So transporting the materials, okay, they are the efficient, okay. And another one is, yeah, sieve cells, okay. The sieve cells will also the, okay, living component. And then one more important one is the companion cells. So the companion cells, and then, okay, the sieve tubes. Okay, remember children. So sieve tubes, companion cells together வந்து it is called as a sister cells. Sister cells. Clear? So இப்போ ஒரு plantல companion cells இருக்குன்னா, so okay, compulsory there will be the, okay, sieve tubes. Okay, because of it they are called as a sister cells, and they have the same origin. Okay, so they have the same origin. Okay வா. And next to it, so phloem parenchyma. Parenchyma-ஓட ஒரு, okay, yes, characteristic feature அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, it is a living component, and then it will help in the storage. Okay, so food வந்து store பண்ணறதுக்கும் it will be helpful. Okay, everyone, next to it, it's the phloem fiber. So it is made up of a, okay, dead cells. Okay, if there is a, if it is a dead cell, it is going to provide the mechanical strength. Okay, everyone. Yes. Yeah, next to it, it's the, okay, translocation of, okay, solute. So here, okay, we have to learn about two things. Okay, one is the source, another one will be the sink. Source and sink. Okay, it's very simple, children. Okay, so which one is called as the, okay, yes, kitchen of a plant? Kitchen of a plant. Kitchen of a plant. Leaf, root. Yeah, very good. Leaf, right? Okay, so that the source is called as a leaf, because the, okay, yes, the photosynthesis done, or otherwise the glucose is, okay, produced here. And next to it, okay, the sink. The sink, okay, storage. எந்த ஒரு பிளான்ட்டும் பார்த்தோம்னா அது ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கும் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஓகே, ஸோ சோர்ஸ்ல இருந்து சிங்க்குக்கு, அண்ட் தென் சிங்க்ல இருந்து சோர்ஸுக்கு பார்த்தோம்னா ஃப்ளோயம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா, ஓகே, ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தோம்னா, எஸ், white is bidirectionalனா, okay, from the source, yeah, from the leaf to, okay, any parts. So store பண்ணி வைக்கிற பார்ட், இது ஒரு ஃப்ரூட்டா இருக்கலாம், ரைட். ஓகே, ஸோ வந்து ஒரு ஆப்பிள் ட்ரீன்னு வச்சுப்போம். ஆப்பிள் ட்ரீல ஆப்பிள் லீவ்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து they will do the photosynthesis, and then, okay, the sink will be, okay, sink அப்படின்னா, so the fruit will be storing the food. Okay, and after that, yes, okay, it will be entering into various partsக்கும் போகணும், so that it is bidirectional. Okay va. So this is called as, yes, okay, upward, and then, okay, yes, downward direction. Okay va, everyone, clear?
Book a free demo class and join Pumpa to make your children topper.